Cryptocurrencies are electronic assets based on blockchain technology and are used as a means of exchange or investment. There are many types of cryptocurrencies, including 1. Basic cryptocurrencies. These currencies are used as a medium of exchange and value, such as Bitcoin (BTC), the first and most famous digital currency. Ethereum (ETH) provides a platform for smart contracts in addition to being a digital currency. Litecoin (LTC), similar to Bitcoin but faster in transactions. 2. Stablecoins. Cryptocurrencies backed by assets such as the dollar or gold to maintain value stability, such as USDT Tether pegged to the US dollar. USDC USD coin, also backed by the US dollar. 4. Tokens. Used within specific projects or applications, such as Chainlink link used in applications that rely on external data. Uniswap Uni decentralized exchange platform currency. 5. Privacy coins. Focus on privacy and anonymity of users, such as Monero XMR provides completely anonymous transactions. Zcash ZEC allows privacy choice in transactions. 6. Metaverse coins. Used in virtual world platforms, such as Decentraland Mana Distroland platform currency. Sandbox Sand used in building virtual worlds. 7. DeFi tokens. Supports DeFi protocols, such as AAVE, a platform token for lending and borrowing. Maker MKR manages the DAI stablecoin. 8. Play-to-earn tokens. Used in blockchain games, such as Axie Infinity AXS used in the Axie Infinity game. Gala used to support multiple games. Each type of cryptocurrency has its own uses and features that suit different users' needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the content and benefited from it, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to support us and follow more upcoming videos. And share your opinions or inquiries in the comments, we always love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and until then, good luck.